In this video, I will share with you the 5 best crypto trading apps for both experts and beginners. In the past years, I've used a lot of crypto trading apps, the good ones and the bad ones, and that is why I've taken it upon myself to share with you the best ones so as to make your crypto trading experience a very good one. The 5 apps I'll be sharing with you in this video from my perspective are the best in terms of trading crypto, investment, and in terms of trading fees. I will also share with you the benefits of these apps, their unique features, and every other information that you need to know about these apps. If you want to create an account on any of these apps, I will attach their links in the description below so that you can easily create your account. For beginners and experts in crypto trading, it is very important for you to choose a user-friendly interface that offers good resources, security features, and a straightforward interface. My name is Julius, and on this channel, I create videos on how to improve your personal finance, which include how to make money both online and offline, how to invest, how to manage your money, and every other things you need to navigate your road to financial success. If you're interested in things like this, kindly like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified whenever we upload a new video on this channel. And without any delay, let's get straight to the point. The first app on this list is Binance. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange platform in the world. And it is that one platform that is very secure, very reliable, very transparent, charge low trading fees, and a lot of cryptocurrency are listed on this platform. Binance is available to a lot of countries around the world, including Nigeria. Right now, Binance is one of the best apps to invest, buy, and sell cryptocurrency. I have been using the Binance app since 2017, and I really love this app because a lot of things can be done on this app. You can trade crypto on this app. You can also do spot trading, future trading, margin trading, P2P, and you can also earn income passively by staking on Binance. I also love this app for its user-friendly interface. In fact, you can find any popular cryptocurrency on Binance. Binance offers educational resources, including articles and video tutorials to help beginners learn about crypto trading and investment strategies. One of the unique features of Binance is its Binance Coin, that's the BNB. The BNB can be used as a payment method for staking and for many other things. Binance is a great app for both beginners and experienced traders who are looking for a very reliable crypto trading app. If you are interested in signing up for a Binance account, you can use the link in the description below. It is also important for you to set up and verify your account after signing up. So you can check this video to make that very easy for you. The second app on the list is Ccoin. Ccoin is another cryptocurrency exchange platform that provides a wide range of services for users to trade digital assets. Aside their website, Ccoin also offers a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices, allowing users to access the platform conveniently on the go. The Ccoin app features a user-friendly interface designed to provide easy navigation and accessibility to various trading pairs and features. Ccoin has a lot of cryptocurrency that cannot be found on some other crypto exchange platforms. If you are a crypto trader that likes using trading bots, then Ccoin should be your best trading app because the app is really big on trading bots. Ccoin takes the app security so serious that they employ various security measures to safeguard users' funds and personal information. This includes two-factor authentication, code storage, and regular security audits. This app has its own cryptocurrency called Ccoin shares. Holders of Ccoin shares receive a lot of benefits, which include discounts in trading fees, bonuses, and so many other goodies. Ccoin app offers a comprehensive trading experience for cryptocurrency enthusiasts and traders with a wide range of features, trading options, and security measures to cater for different users' preferences and needs. If you want to open an account on Ccoin, you can use the link in the description below. The third app is Buybit. Buybit is a cryptocurrency derivative exchange that allows users to trade various cryptocurrency. This app provides advanced trading tools and features to help traders execute their strategies. These tools include order types like limit orders, market orders, conditional orders, and risk management features, such as stop loss and take profit orders. Buybit is a trading app that I can recommend to a beginner because it is very easy to use, has low trading fees, and the unique features of Buybit is the copy trading features that allow you to copy trades from professional traders to make a lot of profits for yourself. I almost forgot to let you know that Buybit offers a very strong customer support service to assist users with enquiries, technical issues, and account-related matters. As a user, you can reach out to Buybit support team through various channels like email or live chat, and you will get solutions to any issues you might be facing as soon as possible. If you don't have a Buybit account, you can use the referral link in the description below to create an account on Buybit. The fourth app on this list is Remitano. Remitano is a cryptocurrency app that is based on peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchange. It allows users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency directly with each other. Remitano operates through its website and also offers a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices, providing users with ease to access its services. Remitano supports a variety of cryptocurrency including BTC, ETH, Ripples, and many others. Though the crypto listing on this app are not as much as that of Binance, Remitano allows users to trade cryptocurrency against the fiat currency such as USD, GBP, the Nigerian Naira, and many others, depending on your location. The app provides a dispute resolution system to help resolve disputes between the buyers and the seller in P2P trades. In case of dispute or disagreement, you as a user can get in touch with the support teams for immediate resolution. So if you want to base on just buying and selling cryptocurrency using the P2P method, then Remitano is your go-to app. You can sign up for an account on Remitano using the link in the description below. The fifth app on the list is Biget. Biget is a trading platform known for its derivative trading option. Biget offers future trading and spot trading. Though the app is not very popular, but it is a very good app that you can use for your crypto trading. The app is very easy to use and also very easy to verify. The app provides leverage trading options for users who want to potentially increase their profits. Leverage allows traders to borrow funds from the exchange to increase the size of their portfolio. If you want to create an account on Biget, sign up with the Biget link in the description below. Sincerely, everything I've shared with you in the last few minutes is completely useless if you don't know how to trade. So check out this video to understand crypto trading and how to become a successful and profitable crypto trader in just 6 steps. Like this video, subscribe, share, and see you in the next one.